So my dad I'm going to be recording him taking a little ride, some new updates. So there's two motors, there's one right there and there's one right there, so that's the new update.
On to your hat test. Direct drive, no speed controller, dual motors. Meter shows 52.9 volts. Can you see the rear wheels?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God!
Did you get that?
So this cool little buddy's gonna try that one more time.
I think I lost my hat.
He lost his hat.
You ready for hold on to your hat test?
Okay, I gotta hold this camera tighter. I'm
Number
gonna
2.
drop it.
Ready?
The ground is smoking.
Arriba!
Don't say that. Dad, look at the back! You broke it! You shouldn't do that!
Yeah, I broke this.
Look, you're freaking rubbing this on the ground. See, look, it's bruised. Jeez.
Guess we need roll bars.
I don't see anything on the ground. But trying this again. Attempt number 3/4. Attempt number 4. Oh, dang.